Hey guys, I'm going to do something a little different for this video. I'm going to review some flashlights, some LED flashlights by Thrunite. Now you might be asking, why flashlights? Well, these flashlights are waterproof, shockproof, pretty much everything proof. But you know what the real question is? Are they laserproof? Let's start with the Ti3. This is a keychain LED flashlight that is super bright and super handy because you can keep it on your keychain. The thing I like about this flashlight is it's super durable. It doesn't even have a button. So how does it work? Well, you actually just twist it and twist it back, and then it turns on. And if you do this quickly, you can change the brightness. I believe that's the brightest. And then if you do it once more, right, there's strobe mode. This is pretty handy because you just throw that and boom, instant strobe light party. So low light, brighter, brightest, low light, brighter, brightest, strobe. And it's pretty bright. Look at that. It's like a mini GoPro light. Also comes with a nice little clip. You can clip it to your belt. And a keychain. The other cool thing about this is it's such a tiny little flashlight, but it puts out 120 lumens. And on the low power mode, it'll last for 115 hours on a single AAA battery. At strobe, it'll last for an hour, and high, half an hour. But high is super bright, so that's why they have the different modes. Now let's take a look at its big brother, the TN12. This guy is a lot bigger, a lot brighter, and a lot more awesome. It puts out a whopping 1050 lumens. That's as bright as most home projectors. It's crazy. And it's IPX8 rated, which means it's basically super waterproof. So let's take a look. Comes in a little bag like this. It's a pretty slick little flashlight. Now this one actually has two buttons. It has the main on button, which is on the bottom, and then it has the mode button here. So there's dim, bright, and brightest. Maybe brighter. 2, 3, 4. Whew. That's super bright. Now, this guy runs off of an 18650 lithium-ion battery. If you're not familiar, it's one of the most common lithium-ion batteries available. They're used in laptops and pretty much anything. So you just put that in there. It's got a little waterproof seal here. Close it up. Turn it on. Let's turn the light off. Low brightness mode. Medium. Brightest. It's kind of hard to tell how bright this is, but it's lighting up my entire garage pretty much right here. Oh, there we go. It's even brighter. Mid, brighter, brighter, brightest. There's no strobe mode on this, but you don't really want a strobe mode in the brightest setting because you would literally blind people. Anyways, let's take these outside and see how they perform. Oh yeah, it also comes with this awesome case for your belt. And a clip. And a spare button. And spare gasket. Alright, let's see how these work outside. Wow. That is awesome. As you can see, it snowed already in November. Good old Canada. That's a seriously bright flashlight. And did I mention these things are like shock-proof? Not really a good example, but you get the idea. What if I throw it at the... It's cold out. And the little guy, also super bright. Check out strobe mode. So this was my pumpkin, R2-D2. Oh yeah, look at all that mold. Alright, now the question you've all been waiting for. Will it laser? Alright, so this flashlight is waterproof, shockproof, oil-proof. It's pretty much everything proof. But is it laser-proof? That's the big question we're asking today. Ah, it's really bright. We're obviously gonna laser it while it's on, so set her down here, and we're gonna try and cut it in half. See what happens. Let's get the GoPro in there. Yep. And it is recording. Alright, we got full power laser. Here goes nothing. Hang on. Gotta turn the air on. Absolutely nothing. Look at that, it's just like laser proof. Not so much as a mark. Ha! That's pretty awesome. Did nothing to this. And it's black too. The laser goes through black objects the best because all the lights. Man. Woo! This flashlight's awesome.